Michika now being brought forward. All set now. 1,200 meters. Race number 5. Anytime now. And they're on the way. Yes, Pogi. Draws for your lead, Conquistador Hot. Moving up in between runners, Extraordinary. Then comes Never Say Goodbye. Raon is by the rail, and Michika is in behind them, heading towards the half-mile pole. Conquistador moving up, Raon by the rail to take the lead. Never Say Goodbye running in between runners. Then on the outside, Hot. Extraordinary, yes, Pogi, and Michika still bring up the rear. Routing at the 600, Raon leading the field, followed by Conquistador in second. Hot running on the outside, then comes Extraordinary. Yes, Pogi moving up on the outside, Never Say Goodbye. And into the home stretch, Raon now leading the field. Hot now running in second, and on the outside, Extraordinary. Yes, Pogi, it's still Raon. Hot still in second, Extraordinary is on the outside, but it's still Raon, followed now by Extraordinary, Hot. And finally, Raon, Extraordinary, Hot. Yes, Pogi, Michika for your Pentafecta.